Found some monkeys. 2 of them. 3 of them.
Well, they're all over the place.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look, there's 2 of them coming up to play. They're playing with each other.
Oh yeah. There's 2 right together. There he goes. 3 or 4 monkeys right here. There's one way over there, scaling that palm tree. He's got it hidden by the brush now. Here goes one.
An Airbnb.
Come on, monkey, jump.
Right by Low Ball, cow.
Ah, okay. A funny place.
Because all they're going to do is sell you cocaine. They don't want something.
Let me help you. Are you ready for one?
Those 2 are not moving. There's another one over there behind, jumping around. Here it comes. One back there, you can't barely see him. Well, those 2 are going. Fun with the monkey.